Hi, it is Jessica Crystals, and today I want to talk about the difference between raw crystals, meaning the natural formation of a crystal, and polished crystals and cut crystals. So I get asked a lot if there's a difference between the energetic vibration of a raw crystal versus a polished crystal. And the basic answer to that would be no, there is no energetic difference between a raw crystal, so this is raw rose quartz, just a chunk of it, and then this is a cut and polished rose quartz. So from an energetic standpoint, is there a difference between these? Not necessarily. I mean, the color is a little bit different, the shape is a little bit different, but for the most part, the size is even pretty much the same. So from an energetic standpoint, these are going to be pretty similar. But there are some other factors that can determine if a crystal that is raw versus a crystal that is polished might be in a different energetic vibration. So in this instance, here is a raw quartz, and this is its natural point. So from an energetic standpoint, because the crystal was growing in this direction, the energy is kind of moving in this direction through the point because it was growing in the direction of the point. So from an energetic standpoint, that is going to be a little bit different than something like a sphere that has been this is a chunk of quartz that has been cut and polished into a sphere shape. So this crystal, the aura is going to be much more symmetrical all the way around because that is the shape. It's a ball, and so its aura is going to be a ball around it. So the energetic vibration isn't necessarily going to be different in some ways, but yes, in some ways. I know that sounds confusing. So this crystal is a lot smaller than this crystal. So from an aura standpoint, the aura of this crystal is going to be smaller just because logistically, functionally, it is a smaller crystal than this one. And so this one may feel more impactful to you just because of the sheer mass of it means that its energetic vibration is more. So thinking about bringing that into your energy field, it's going to be more impactful just because it is a larger energy field to affect your energy. However, they are different in that this one, the energy is going to be moving a little more directional versus this one. So it might feel a little more impactful if you are using the crystal in a way that is directing the energy through the point. So just some differences to think about. And you know, I can go into more detail in a different video about the different shapes, the natural shapes and stuff of crystals and all of that. But just in this raw versus polished, those are some basics to get you to understand the difference between the energetic vibration of raw versus polished. I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know.